हेलो ऑल द रोड सोल्स आउट देयर, होप यू ऑल आर हेल्दी वेल्दी एंड हैप्पी। तो हम बहुत टाइम से एक फ़ोटो शूट प्लान कर रहे थे एंड व्हेन वी फाइनली डिसाइडेड द प्लेस वी थॉट दैट व्हाई नॉट टू यूज़ सम props in that photo shoot. So we started searching on internet, YouTube for ideas. बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ मिले एंड वी शॉर्ट लिस्टेड फ्यू आइडियाज़ आउट ऑफ दैट. The plan was to use something which is not used often and should be memorable to all the riders out there with us. And finally, everyone decided to use these bad boys in our photo shoot. Smoke bomb. इंडिया में अपने पास ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं है. All these items are ordered from Flipkart. Details I will share in the description in case you want to try them out. इनकी डिलीवरी में ये मिनिमम 5 से 6 दिन का टाइम लेते हैं. सो लेट्स ओपन देम अप एंड सी व्हाट्स इन देयर. So here we are at Mayasandra. It's around 120 kilometers from Bengaluru. A very nice place, but isolated. You will not find many people out here. A perfect place if you want to do a photo shoot. If you are from Bengaluru and you have already visited this place. If not, jao yaar. It's a very nice place. You will enjoy it for sure.
Up all night by myself, trying to think of ways to you. Your voice stuck in my brain, we never got to see it through. And I know I feel more pain if we're speaking truth. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know. call you up late at night. And we know it's for the best. I won't put up a fight. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I'll find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know.
So our photo shoot is done. We enjoyed a lot. बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत सारे फ़ोटोज़ ली. वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, जितने भी हमने स्मोक बॉम्ब्स मंगवाए थे उसमें से ऑलमोस्ट 30-40% जले ही नहीं. सो इफ़ यू प्लान टू ऑर्डर दीज आइटम्स, प्लीज़ एंश्योर you order few spares. I will upload all these photos on my Insta, so do visit there and comment down below your opinion and your thoughts about it. So that was the video for today. See you soon. Be safe, ride safe. Bye bye.